In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover unsaved files in LibreOffice. We've all been there, working on a document for hours only to have the program crash or the computer shut down unexpectedly. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. LibreOffice has a feature that can help you recover your unsaved work. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're not already familiar with the program, it's an open source office suite that offers a variety of applications similar to Microsoft Office, including Writer, Calc, and Impress. Once you have the program open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu bar, and from there, you'll want to click on Tools. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Next, in that same drop-down menu, find and click on Options. This will open up a new window where you can configure different settings for LibreOffice. Think of this area as the control center for all the preferences and settings you might want to tweak to tailor the software to your needs. Once you're in the Options window, you're going to look for the Load Save section in the sidebar on the left. Clicking on this will display related settings on the right side of the window. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the Load Save settings, you'll want to enable the Save Auto Recovery Information Every option. This feature is incredibly useful because it automatically saves your work at regular intervals, providing a backup in case something goes wrong. In the drop-down menu next to this option, you can select how often you'd like this autosave to happen. Setting it to save every few minutes ensures that you won't lose much of your work if the unexpected occurs. Once you've selected your preferred time interval, you'll need to apply these changes. Simply click Apply to save your new settings, and then click OK to exit the options window. By doing this, you ensure that the auto recovery feature is active, giving you peace of mind while working on important projects. And that's it. You've now set up LibreOffice to help protect your work with the auto recovery feature. Remember, while this feature is a great safety net, it's also a good habit to manually save your documents regularly. This simple guide will show you how to recover unsaved files in LibreOffice, keeping your hard work safe and sound. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.